Is your Hyundai Elantra backup camera showing a black screen when you shift into reverse? Statistics show that over 70% of these camera failures are caused by simple software glitches or loose harness connectors. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to get your view back. Start by cleaning the lens and checking your interior fuse box for any blown circuits. Most software issues can be resolved by performing a hard reset of your infotainment system. If software updates fail, inspect the trunk wiring harness for signs of wear or corrosion. Try the simple resets first, but know when to let a professional handle internal wiring repairs. Repair costs vary significantly depending on whether you are replacing a simple fuse or the entire camera module. Keep a multimeter and some contact cleaner on hand to test for power at the camera connection. Always remember to disconnect your negative battery terminal before you start poking around any electrical components. Remember, consistency in your testing prevents replacing expensive parts that might be working perfectly fine. Check the links below for your specific model year and subscribe for more maintenance tips.